Today we are going to talk about exemplary work of two little ants. Those are the ants that we are going to talk about. Do you know what are they lifting? They are lifting a dead grasshopper. It could be quite tasty for them. See how well they are working together. Though they are very small in size, their effort is quite difficult. They are ready to give up, saying that it is too heavy or too tired. Oh my god, what a unity they have! See how difficult it is for them to lift it without falling. Patience is also needed when we do such challenging tasks. Even though they are tiny in size, the lesson we can take from them is very big. Oh my god, will they fall down? Trying. Oh no, they saved it. Wow. Look at their balancing skill. Then what happened? They stopped taking it. What is wrong with them? Oh my god, are they fighting? Yes, they are. Oh no. Fighting is never a good thing. Look at them. They started hitting. Have you seen fighting ants before? Instead of sharing the grasshopper, they are now battling to own it. See, what they have done was completely stopped. It may cost to lose the food for both of them. See how greed destroys the unity they had. Unity had vanished and greed had taken its place. See how bad it is. None of them want to stop it. As a result, anyone won't be able to take use of it. We should take good things and reject bad things from others without considering the size of them. At last, anyone couldn't take the use of it as a result of the fight.